Well, tonight's perfect night to make a snowman. As you can see, it's snowing heavily in Toronto right now. The forecast said that we would have winter storm tonight. Actually, I didn't believe them, so I was wrong. The snow has been coming down for 3 hours, maybe, but it's gonna last until tomorrow morning. So we're gonna have snow overnight. It's actually beautiful, man. Look at that. Hi everyone, this is the follow day. That's the entrance of my house. So I'm trying to get out to work. Have to be careful, it's very slippery. So this is Canada. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. By the way, the forecast says we're gonna have snow again, probably on Saturday and Sunday. So let's see what happens. See you next time. Bye, guys.